In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to remove background noise in Premiere Pro. So right on my timeline, I have this clip. In this lesson, I am going to show you how to blur a background in Premiere Pro. So I'm going to get rid of that, make sure it's clean. So with the clip selected, I'm going to head over to Essential Sound. Within Essential Sound, I'm going to select the audio tag dialog and then head over to Repair. Within Repair, I'm going to check the Reduce Noise and then set the value to about 6. So you don't want the value to be too high, depending on the amount of noise in the clip, but make sure you don't increase it to the extent where you start losing audio quality. So I'm fine with 6. Now when I play this back, in this lesson, I am going to show you how to blur a background in Premiere Pro. Here's the before. In this lesson, I am going to show you how to blur a background in Premiere Pro. And here is the after. In this lesson, I am going to show you how to blur a background in Premiere Pro. If this video helped you, please give it a like and also do well to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Thank you.